Charlie the Kitchen. Let's go Port Dickson. From Subang to Port Dickson. Jalan-jalan cari makan. Charlie the Kitchen. Raining guys. And traffic. Welcome to Port Dickson. I'm here right now. After a long time, you know what I'm saying? This is my homestay. I will stay for one night. There we go. So this is the place to stay. So here we go. Where is my room? B25 here. Assalamualaikum. Inilah bilik kita. My room, my house here. And this is my view. Wow. Nice. So here we go. Let's go to the beach. Wow. No fish. Wow, so beautiful. So many people. Swim. Let's get close. Holiday. Enjoy the holiday. Wow, look, guys, so beautiful. Like a restaurant, so you can eat here. Woohoo! close to the beach, guys. Woo. Well. Wow, fun fair. People flying there, so nice. Woohoo! Enjoyment in the night. Wow. Here guys, we are in Sate Kebabom. You guys must try to eat satay here. Look, the satay. Wow. Woohoo. We eat satay tonight. Morning. So this is the place that you can chill, eat breakfast, lunch and dinner. Look at this place. Beautiful. Love. Shalita Kitchen. Jalan-jalan, cari makan. Beautiful. Sangat cantik, sangat beautiful. Wow. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, Shalita Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Love.